Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 5.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices settled higher, driven by concerns over limited supply from Russia and Iran because of Western sanctions and expected higher Chinese oil demand. Traders were looking to the Chinese stimulus plans to drive growth as supplies are tight following the Christmas and New Year holidays. The dollar strengthened as US economic data showing a generally stable jobs market and a still robust services sector suggested that the Federal Reserve will likely slow the pace of its current rate-cutting cycle. The greenback rose to a near 6-month peak against the yen. US Commodity Futures Trading Commission Chair Rostin Behnam will step down when President-elect Donald Trump takes office on January the 20th, the agency said, paving the way for Trump to appoint his own chief and kickstart a crypto policy overhaul.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 12 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 15:30 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. The Dutch consumer spending volume will be released at 5:30 GMT. Japan's consumer confidence index at 5 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.